Hey, Savage Granny here, everybody. How y'all doing? Okay, we've got more nail mail. I have been getting lots of stuff. I want to thank my clients. I have been selling some of my sets. I've been a drag rush on Instagram. I'm a judge, and then my sets are one of the prizes. So I'm very appreciative of that, to the host who has included me in that. That is what I've done. I've put back everything that I make into getting more product so I can do more content for y'all. So y'all bear with me. I mean, I know these last several videos are nail mail and stuff, but it's because I'm starting out. I don't really have a lot of the higher quality products and stuff. I don't have glitter acrylics, and I didn't have a mat or armrest and various things. So this is something new, so let's get into it and see what this is. I may not need the scissors, but I got them out just in case, so let's take it out. It was just delivered. Alright, Billy, you're going to have to move, darling. Oh, Model 1's kit. Oh, wow. Look at this, y'all. Okay. This is an all-in-one Model 1's kit. And so this is the instructions. Very nice. Oh, my goodness. Okay. And so here's the base coat, and let me get it out. Let's see. Okay, here's the top coat, and here is some polygel. We've got pink. And this is 15 gram or 0.5 ounces. And then we've got clear. And then we've got white. So I don't know how clear this clear is. Some of them are not like crystal clear. From what I've seen before. I have a couple of other clears, so we'll have to check this out. So y'all have to be on the watch for my video of me checking into this. And so this, let's see what these are. Probably alcohol pads or something. It out and see. But yeah, I have been okay. Removal dedicated. So this is remove UV gel easily. Alright, so this is to take the UV gels off. And I think that's what these are. Yeah, these are the polishes, and I think this is the color changing polish. Let's see, these are 5 grams also. 0.5, excuse me. Can you? Let's see that consistency. I don't have any more swatch sticks. Look, they're all full. I'm going to have to run to the store and get some more. That way we can swatch these. Let's see. Does this not have the color? name or anything on it. It's just got 026. This is 025. Okay. Oh, and this has the little, I guess the other one was in the lid. Oh, wow. Look at how sparkly that is. Look at that glitter in that. Oh, that's going to be fun. And that's kind of got some green in it. That's nice. Okay. And this is 024. Oh, that's pretty and glittery too. Look at that. So this is 023. I don't know if y'all see me raising my glasses up. These are no-line bifocals, and I'm nearsighted. I can't see far away, but with this no line, it's just hard to kind of get regulated for me to see close up, so it's easier for me to just... That's a really pretty, like, royal blue there. At least that's what it looks like in the pot. We'll have to wait and see about the swatches and what it looks like on the nail. Okay, here up 022. Oh, now that doesn't have any glitter. Okay, so that's just a regular polish there. But that's a pretty pink. Zero, 2, 1. And that's a gray. Okay. 020. Y'all know I started at the bottom and went to the top. Look, my name's Melissa. I'm ass backwards, y'all, okay? 019, okay? Here we go. This is a peach or coral color here. That's really pretty too. Alright. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look here. I love hidden stuff. Yes, ma'am. We've got some pretty striping tape. And I've got striping tape, but honey, I can always use more. We love extra. Let's get into this. What you doing, baby Bella? Huh? Huh? Come on. Come up here. You want to see the people? You want to say hi to the people? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. You want to play? Come here. She's my emotional support animal, and I've had her 10 years. Yes, you got a birthday coming up, don't you, baby? Yes, ma'am. And she is a pit bull, and let me tell you, she thinks them grandbabies are her babies. Believe that. So we've got a gold, a silver, a peach, a pink, a yellow, a purple, a hollow looking one, and I don't know that. There's a green one. Very nice. Okay. Oh, looky here. Got a pretty new nail brush. That's a cute little kabuki brush. Oh, and it matches all my pink stuff, all my new pink stuff I've been getting. We've got some pretty crystals here. So these are just, got a nice file. This is a 180. Here we go. I have lots of these. That's alright. As I said, you can never have too much. Got some nice tweezers, and they are like specific, you know, pointed where you can pick up. Nice cuticle pusher. I love these. I love these. And look, it comes in a nice pack there. Look at this brush. This is nice. Let me get this open here and pop this sucker off. I don't have no strength, y'all. Look at that. And that looks like it's got gel there in the middle. This is a number 6. So, nice silver and pink. That's very pretty. I really like that. Very, very nice. This come well packaged. Okay. And we have some forms. Let's see what kind of forms. Because I have some other forms from another gel kit that I had ordered. It didn't come with all this other. It just came with some bigger tubes of poly gel and the forms. And then it had some paper forms. And I had a problem with the size not fitting my thumb. So let's see if this biggest size here will fit my thumb. These look like they might be pretty much the same ones. Okay, that's a 2. Let's see, what is this one? Is this a 1? Does it not start at 0? Okay, this is the 1. A lot of them start at 0, but I guess this one starts at 1. Okay, this one looks like this may fit. Alright. And then we have this cute little mini LED lamp. Look at this. Now this is just adorable. Wow. I've never seen one of these this little before. I had got one of those little sensational kits from Walmart, and it had one of them little lamps in it. It just wasn't worth the pudding, I'm going to tell you. It wouldn't cure a fart in the wind. So I just put it up. So it's got the instruction booklet here. Oh wow, look here. Okay, it's got, oh, this is so cute. Look at that. Y'all look at there. You can just hold that over your fingers for a flash cure or something real quick. Okay, it doesn't come with a base. It's USB, but it doesn't come with a base. So y'all gonna have to take one from your kids' cell phones or something. Go in there, you know, when they're being bad and they can't have their cell phone or whatever. You go ahead and take it from them, and you just take their base or without them knowing, then you don't want them to have it. Just go get their base, and then, they'll run out of charge. And they'll be looking for their base, and then you'll have it, and they won't be able to be on their cell phone no more. So, I'm bad. I know I'm bad. Y'all don't hate me. Alright, let's check this little booger out, okay, y'all? Honey, let me have your base.
You got it.
I know. I got one. Is there another one over there? Alright, let me plug this booger in. Whoops. Whoops or doodle. Okay, it's got 1, 2, 3, 6 little lights under there, and here's the little button right here on the back. So you can just flash cure right quick, and you push the button again to stop it. It's not got no sensor or anything like that. And then there you go. And so if you had drawers or something. I mean, this something. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take one of these off my desk, and I'm just going to put this little one up here, and that way I can use it for flash cures. So that's going to be real nice. And I've got somebody coming next week, and I asked her specifically. I knew this was coming today, if I could film her using this. So I do want to swatch these, that way I'll have all that for other clients. But y'all watch for that video. And then my daughter asked me today if I could do a set for her husband's little sister. I think she's preteen, something like that. So just some little short nails, kind of light pink or nude, something like that, before she starts back to school, with some little stars or something on them, just something cutesy. And I think some of this with the little glitter, may be real cute to go on there. Maybe a little bit of bling. I love bling. I can't help it. I love bling and anything sparkly. Okay, y'all. Remember, stay true to yourself, and you'll always be fabulous. And Granny loves you. Mwah! Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.